Ever wonder where all that dust comes from? It's not just dirt you brought in from outside. In fact, most of what we call dust in our homes is composed of tiny, invisible particles that originate from various sources, and believe it or not, a significant portion of it is actually dead skin cells. Yes, you heard that right. The skin we shed every day ends up floating around our living spaces. It's a bit gross, isn't it? But don't worry, it's perfectly normal. We all experience it. But wait, there's more. Our so-called dust bunnies are not just made up of skin cells. They also contain pet dander, which is microscopic flakes of skin shed by furry companions, as well as fabric fibers from our clothes, furniture, and even curtains. Have you ever noticed how your favorite sweater tends to leave little bits of itself behind? Those tiny fibers can become airborne and join the dust in your home. Talk about a fashion statement. And that's not all. Our very own cosmic particles from outer space can find their way into our homes, too. That's right, space dust is indeed in your house. These particles can be remnants of comets, meteorites, and even interstellar matter that have traveled vast distances before settling down in your living room. Now, the scariest part about dust is the tiny creatures that thrive in it, dust mites. These microscopic arachnids are incredibly tiny. They're typically about 0.2 to 0.3 millimeters long, and they love to feast on the organic matter found in dust, especially the dead skin cells. In fact, millions of these little guys could be living in your mattress, your carpets, and your upholstered furniture right now. But don't freak out. They are harmless to most people. However, for individuals who suffer from allergies or asthma, dust mites can be a significant trigger. You might be wondering what you can do to manage all this dust. The good news is that regular cleaning can make a big difference. Make sure to dust surfaces with a damp cloth, which can help trap those particles instead of just stirring them up into the air. Vacuuming with a HEPA-filtered vacuum is another great tool in your dust-fighting arsenal, as these vacuums are designed to capture tiny particles that might otherwise escape back into the air. In addition to dusting and vacuuming, using air purifiers can significantly improve your indoor air quality. These devices help filter out dust, pet dander, and other allergens, providing you with a cleaner environment and making it easier to breathe. And let's not forget the importance of regularly washing bedding, pillowcases, and blankets in hot water, as this can eliminate dust mites and their food sources. In short, maintaining a clean and dust-free environment is key to ensuring a healthier home. So, next time you're dusting, remember, you're not just sweeping away dirt, you're engaging in a battle against a tiny universe of particles from near and far. This little universe is full of remnants from daily life, traces of our pets, fibers from our clothing, and even a sprinkle of the cosmos. By keeping your space clean and air quality high, you can enjoy a healthier, more comfortable living environment while giving a nod to the fascinating world of dust. It's amazing how something so seemingly mundane can be so complex, isn't it? So grab your duster and embrace the cleanup.